Yes. Dear old Matt. And here he is.
Tahir said that he's better than he's
On the side. And Hafiz will know this. He's on as well with Jason Roy. Gone very straight for set.
He's just made a bit of so pure that was always heading over the fence.
And quite get all of it there from Tahir, but there's
Why the head coach is so excited to put it off.
your delivery, and that is Warner.
Thumbs of the right-hander, a couple of hits down the ground.
Length there, and it's costing. And Fakhar Zaman, he'll
Only a full toss outside off stump to the Quetta bowlers.
leg on the fence. A crisp. And personified here from
He's just hit this down the ground, so got lucky with the plate.
with that. Didn't quite get the Yorker right there, and it's costing. 11. Pop this one out of here. Fakhar Zaman.
Yeah, the crack, the sound of the Fakhar Zaman now into
Length of those fuller ones. And he's gone for a dozen.
yeah, and he staged yet another boundary. They're going at
Back to back. No third. 3 for the Qalandars.
past him. Just using that and hit it. Probably just always too much bounce, and with the followed him. The edge.
पहली गेंद पर उनका खैर मकदम की शॉट ताहिर बेग का लाजवाब ताहिर बेग को हमने स्पिनर पर ये कितनी दूर गई है कहीं कि वहां पर मार्टिन इस बार अगेंस्ट द टफ बुलंदी जरूर मिली अच्छी इनिंग्स खेली ले जाएंगे वापस वेस्ट इंडीज उनके बहुत बाहर से और ये 4 रन पा गए दोनों तरफ से फील्डर दौड़े थे लेकिन गेंद ये तजुर्बा
ये तो
और आप कर लिया और बाउंड्री पे भी शाय होप ने
जैसे कि आपने कहा कि क्या
उम्दा शॉट ये शाय होप खरा शॉट नहीं था फिर भी रन्स मिल जाएंगे यही औसत बरकरार रहती है तो ये 207 के जो ज्यादा मजबूत हालवा मैच है बहुत ज्यादा लेट खेल दिया बिल्कुल बल्ले का फेस ओपन किया ताकि
स्पिनर्स को अब नसीम शाह को बड़े and punish. That's poor bowling, but
Too much width and offer. Pace on as I've seen on this surface. This bit of pace on.
has to be part of Osaka run and out. Bit of spin, but he was nowhere near.
This one, yeah, certainly at the pitch of it. In partnership, Kaman Gulam.
Oh, and it is good. That is a fantastic slog swing. Yeah, it's gone high in the air.
50 for 47. Lahore, they were.
Modian Smith cut into the gap. The 150 is up.
Lahore now lose the
7. Talk about a strike.
58 meters into the crowd.
Gop. Absolute.
With it. Oh, but he only.
Roy. Because the shot was. Hand on this. The skip. There it is from Sikandar Raza.
Out one with 100 to his name already in the competition,
He's
or an injury, or whether this is either of check. I think we're going to show him because I think he's okay. He's got
next side and picked off.
and it's just set out.
He's got that wish. Beautiful delivery. And it'll be a review. The ball swinging back.
What's a strange review?
The fence. Short. Flat and great shot.
Yeah, great shot. Some is what 10s and 11s. So they have 2 players that have played a lot of cricket keep defending, and it's not going to.
Leg side, another flat one. Now
He's looking at Harris Ralph and saying, "Where's your chip?" The batter, a bit of chirp, and you whack him over, climbing into it at the moment.
a wicket today, so that short of a top edge, but that'll go onto the roof of the stadium, bounce over.
Just the emotion have endured a tough couple of overs. Pressure's just being released a little bit of the
टाइमिंग सिर्फ लाजवाब.
और क्वेटा के लिए टाइम से अब रन नहीं कर रहे थे. भी हुआ शाहीन शाह अफरीदी को खेलने में फॉर्म में आने के लिए.
लाहौर कलंदर्स को इसलिए कामयाबी उनका मुकद्दर ठहरी.
स्लोअर वन थी.
ये पिछली 15 गेंदों से एक. और ये लीजिए रॉय ने आइंदा
और अपने स्ट्रेंथ वाली एरिया के
शॉट खेला मिड किया. यहाँ जेसन रॉय इस वक्त वो डेविड वीजा को
क्वालिटी प्लेयर्स की यही
बोल्ड कर दिया. इस बार बैकफुट पर खेले थे जो थी. और
आगाज है उनका HBL PSL 8 में. उनकी खासियत
अभी मेमन है और मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट ठटा. और यहाँ पर को ये फीलिंग होती है कि आप
इनके लिए भी आपने बहुत काम किया है. यंग में बताएं.
देखें सेल्फ मशीन्स प्रोवाइड की हैं. सेल्फ
but he's a canny fox.
Yeah, he was that you get time under and settle down. Iftkhar Ahmed, he can impact a game.
So
I mean, just yet.
away and Sikandar Raza
At all. They are Quetta now 99. David Visa maybe slow ones. But hasn't connected it. Settles under. Kipper with a stunning catch.
he can't put a foot wrong it out, and it does for Hafiz. Skipper, he's everywhere. He's real problems now. Hafiz goes for 20. He's still not out of it yet. 94. And that the late David Visa. They just
That has done it. He picked up one with the off.
Okay, in terms of clean, really good strike at Quetta. Desire, 1 for 52 became 2 for and at 100, but this, Bensa.
into use. Leg side.
And 87 off 19. Another one, number 7. Smart piece of bowling to get rid of Odin Smith.
Rolls his fingers, scooped it up to cover. It's high quality from Lahore. Odin Smith out for 9 800. And the fielding. Yorker down leg. Pick toss goes to the fence. Boundary.
Top. But not out. Looking there, a bit rash running in.
For Qais Ahmed, it's 130.
Well done. Just very dominant.